Today I'm having breakfast. I have some croissants, some bacon, and some cheese eggs, along with some orange juice and some Welch's grape jelly. Yes, yes, yes. Feeling that vibe today with the grape jelly. And of course I'm using plastic everything because I'm not washing the dishes today. I'm going to be on chill mode. So it is what it is. I'm going to start off with a prayer. And then I'm going to eat. I'm just going to eat. That's it. Amen and amen again. And if you happen to hear any noise in the background, that's the bird and the dog. So that's what you will hear. Exactly what you will hear. Give y'all a piece of this egg. Let me see, should I do it? I didn't even do a thumbnail yet. Thumbnail. Okay. Well, one I'm gonna do. But here you go. First bite of cheese eggs. Zoom in. There you go. Listen. Throw some of this grape jelly on this croissant. Give y'all a piece. You want a piece? That grape jelly is everything. That croissant. Okay, the grape jelly is almost empty. You can tell. We like grape jelly around here. It's the grape jelly for us. Yo, I love orange juice, but I have acid reflux, right? So I don't drink it too often. I should wake up in the middle of the night. Well, really, really, really bad. Chest pains. Because I'm always eating something with some kind of acid fruit in it. Like this. It was messing me up. And I still would eat it. Because it was good for me. Good to me, not good for me. Good to me. But I slowed it down. So I'm doing a lot better with it. So I'm not waking up in the middle of the night anymore. Thinking I'm having a heart attack or something. I don't know what a heart attack feels like, but that's the way the feeling I had. I thought I was having one. Those late nights up like that. It was so bad. I went to the hospital a couple times. Like, I'm having chest pains. There's something wrong here. And you know, certain hospitals, when you go in there, I thought somebody told me, you go in there, you're waiting for a while to even be seen. But when I'm in there about chest pains, they see me immediately. Like, come right on back. Yep. So I was always grateful for that. But just sitting there the whole time, taking my own tests, doing everything, I'd be there all day. All day. It's kind of easy to get in, but hard as hell to get out. Like jail. Somebody come to jail? Oh, they come right through the back door. When it's time to get out, it's like, you asking somebody for $1 million. Because you're waiting for hours. Hours. So I had to use that as an example. Easy to get in, but it's hard to get out. What y'all doing today? Hopefully enjoying your day. Because I know I'm going to enjoy mine. I'm going to eat fast. Pretty soon, I'm going to start trying to do some challenges again. I gotta get ready for that. Just doing these mukbangs, however y'all say it. Oh, it's something red. It's raining? Oh, but anyhow, I think he's just going out for a ride on there. These mukbangs will gain You put so much weight on you before you even know it. Like, can't fit none of your clothes. Because all you're doing is sitting here really eating and talking. I try to stay active. And sometimes that can be hard. You done? Yeah. You ate it all? Yeah. Aww. She got hurt in practice. I mean, her gymnastics yesterday. But she make sure she make time to come out here and see her dog. She love that dog. She called it the puppy, but this is a grown dog, and she's getting old. The dog is.
No, she a puppy.
She a puppy to her.
That's right now.
Oh.
My puppy.
That was so good, y'all. I'm so good. I killed it.
That bacon was good.
Man,
those croissants were good too. I didn't think they were gonna be that good, but they.
Excuse me. Yes, they were.
Eggs.
The croissants and bacon.
Like eggs.
Normal eggs.
With the croissants and bacon.
That was everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. I ain't have croissants in a long time. We used to have the biscuits, right? Usually eat the biscuits all the time and put some grape jelly on that. They be banging. I know I have my lip gloss somewhere. Because I done wipe everything off.
Bye.
Everything.
Bye.
Y'all, today I'm going to start watching some Fatal Attractions. Last night a bunch of shows was on and I missed them. And it kind of like didn't want to let me like rewind it. And I don't know why. I usually let me rewind the shows. The guy said you should have been sitting there watching it when we put it on. Like, I knew it was on the TV, but I just kept doing other things. Like, I was moving around like I couldn't sit still. But I am actually going to try to catch up on some shows today so I could do a couple story times on here. That lip gloss is like glistening. It says what? Crystal gloss with shea butter in it. Okay. And then Mickey, it glossed them lips right on up. It's not the bacon that made them gloss like that. It's the lip gloss. Okay. Anywho, I am about to actually end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you can know when I upload the next video. Until next time, see ya.